This is 6 inches. 6 inch deficit. 6 inch deficit. 6 inches. This is 3 inches. Stand on up. Feet on the plate, knees against the wall, hips against the wall, chest against the wall, eyes forward. Wrist bone. Right there. Wrist bone. Right there. Good. Hop off. Gotta clear this line. You gonna stand back up there? Three inches. 3 inches. Good. Forgot that line's not centered.
No, yeah, that's what I was gonna say if you wanted it.
I wasn't thinking. How about we just drag the mat over a little bit? You okay with that? Or do you want me to just extend the line? I can extend it.
Yeah, I would say extend it.
Cool. Ready to rock?
Yeah, man.
5 sets of 6.
Plant.
10 seconds. I was gonna do anything, bro. 5, 4, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heels are way over. They're looking good. Keep using lots of hips. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Keep using that big kick, bro. 12 down. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. What's up, brother? 18 down, Alex. 3 sets of 4 if you got to. Let's move.
Get my mitts on some Durant.
There you go. 19, 20, 21. Good. 3 sets of 3. Get them done. 22. Good, that's fine. You can do singles and still get our best score. Let's move. 23. Hips. 24, good. 6 left. 3 sets of 2. 25, lots of legs. 25 down, 5 to go. 5 singles if you got to. 26. No good. 27. 28. Lock out. Here we go. You got 2 more. Get that lock out. Did I not flush after it was in there?
Barely any water in there.
Huh. One more.
Oh God.
One more, lock it out. Good. 249.